With the single number reach feature, you can make, receive, and move calls to or from any device that you designate from your Webex Calling primary number. For example, you can take the call on the run by pushing or pulling the call to your mobile phone. From Webex Settings, select Webex Calling. It cross-launches to the calling user portal. Click Call Settings. Locate and toggle on single number reach. Next, mark the checkbox if you would like to enable contact calling from the Directory tab. To add a number to use as your single number reach destination, click Add Personal Number. Note, as soon as you add a phone number, the number is active. To deactivate, uncheck the box next to the phone number. Next, set your incoming call actions from the following. Do not forward calls. Your calls aren't forwarded even if you have call forwarding enabled. Answer confirmation. When someone calls you, they're prompted to press a key before being connected. Use this option if you want your callers to know that their call is automatically going to your Office Anywhere number. Enable feature codes. You can access the system call control features such as call hold and call forward via feature access codes using the device specified. You can add another personal number by clicking Add Another Personal Number. Follow the previous steps. Click Save when you complete the configuration.